Hey guys, it's Abby from Smartass Sass, and I am here to show you what was in our June subscription box. So this month's theme was IDGAF, I don't give a fuck, and it was all abbreviation and acronym themed. So every month you get a booklet that tells you everything that you're getting, where it came from, how you can find more of their products, where you can follow them on social, all of that fun stuff. So let's dive in. So first I'm going to show you guys this can cooler that we made here at SNS. It says contents may not be safe for work. And on the bottom it says hashtag NSFW, and it's in this pretty purple shiny fabric, and this is neoprene, so it's extra cooling, extra insulating. That's what I was looking for. Alright, next up we have a product that we did with Knock Knock. We've worked with them multiple times. They have such fun stuff. So this notepad says WTF at the top. It has all these cute little check boxes that you can mark for different note needs, and this is 50 sheets. Okay, next we have a button mirror that we designed, and it says IDGAF, and it has this cute little cactus on it, and this is a vegan leather on the back, and then of course it has the mirror on the front. Okay, now we have a bangle that we did with metal marbles. It would be hard for me to show, but it says Whiskey Tango Foxtrot, so WTF. And this bangle is stainless steel, and it is slightly adjustable, so if you have small wrists you can make it a little bit tighter. But that's what that looks like. Their jewelry is such great quality. We've worked with them a few different times. Okay, next we have a custom body butter that we did just for subscribers. So it's called Fine Apple, and it's your skin's new BFF. It smells like pineapple, of course. Really, it just smells like vacation. It's delicious, and it's very lightweight. Oh, and it's an 8-ounce container for that one. Okay, next up we have my keychain fell off of its little backer tag, but we have a keychain that we partnered with Hang Accessories on, and they designed this for this month's subscription. It says OMG, has this cute gold hardware with a clip so you can clip it easily on your bag or your purse. And probably my favorite thing about this is that it's silicone, so it's not gonna get caught on anything or tear or get damaged, and it's like humongous. It's a really fun size. So there's that, Hang Accessories. Okay, next we have a tumbler, a mason jar tumbler that we did. So it comes in this little gift box, and here is what that looks like. So it is clear, BPA-free plastic, and it says hydrated AF. It's kind of hard to see, but hydrated AF on both sides. And I believe this is 16 ounces. Okay, and then the last box item is our collectible sticker this month. So this month it says FML with this cute little mountain design, and obviously this part is the sticker part, but this is design 2 of 6 that we're going to be doing of this sticker series. So last we have this month's shirt design. So as always, we have the shirt only subscription that you can get. We have the box only subscription, or we have the big box, which is all of the box items and the shirt. So this month's shirt says, can you kindly STFU, shut the fuck up. And it is in this Columbia blue is what they call it. It's heather, and as always it's our Bella and Canvas t-shirts. And this one that I'm holding up is a large. So we have shirts from their unisex sizing, and it's from extra small all the way up to 3X. So that's everything that was in this month. We've already cut off orders for July, but you can sign up for August now, and August's theme is Welcome to the Shit Show. Let us know if you have any questions, or you can shoot us an email at info@smartassandsass.com. Thanks!